Yeah, I think this is a wonderful idea because the problems are similar of our countries are quite similar. Lack of motivation amongst the teachers, lack of training of the teachers, which results in poor learning outcomes. So people are not happy with what children are learning in schools. Even the PISA results show that. And that is what is happening in India and most other Asian and other developing countries. So I think it's a very timely conference and the lessons for all our countries, Asian countries, African countries. As I was telling you, I think I must compliment the Department of Education and people of Thailand for this excellent conference. It is excellent because the problems in most developing countries, whether it is Thailand or India, are similar. We have similar problems. We have problems of lack of teacher training, lack of teacher motivation, right? Which results in poor learning outcomes. Our children don't learn as well as they should learn, as has been shown by PISA results also. So the issues are we need to train our teachers well, make sure they are supported in the class, whatever difficulties they face, they are supported in that. The second issue is we have to maintain their motivation. You know, as you heard my speaker who was with me, the lack of morale amongst the teachers, the lack of feeling of importance, the lack of feeling that they're doing something important, that is lacking. Because you can't transform a society unless your schools are good. Your schools will not be good unless your teachers are good. So if you have to have transformative teachers, the teachers need to have that vision that they can change things, they can make a difference, and they can make a difference to the students. That has to come aboard. And for that, we need to respect our teachers, give them better training, give them better backing, and also make sure that they are motivated and they put on their best in the school. And that applies to all our countries. So it's of relevance to India, Africa, other countries as well. I think it's a great idea for two reasons. We had a similar conference in India in May last year, and we called all the states like you have called. And we found the best part was the state people took the message from the international conference to the schools and the states and the districts, and it was a very wide dissemination. So that's a good part. But the part is that we have to seriously implement the recommendation. They should not remain paper recommendations. Somebody should take the responsibility of improving the National Council of Teachers, improving the quality of training, making sure teachers are backed, making sure the teachers are motivated, assessing what is going on, taking care of the marginalized groups. I think that has to happen simultaneously. If it is not followed up, then I'm afraid the conference will not do much good. But if we follow up on these recommendations and get the best people in the system to take the lead and make improvements, I'm sure things will be very good. But the initiative is excellent, and I compliment the government and the Thai people for that. The hospitality has been excellent. You people have taken care of all of us in an excellent manner. Thanks.